6 years ago, I was the first BBC reporter to ever use a drone on a story. We had 2 people working it. It took months of red tape to get approval for this flight. And so much has changed in that time. Possible uses of drones are starting to come to light.
Well, what we've seen is that some of the greatest potential that cities and that people are most interested in are doing tasks that are too complex or too dangerous for humans to do quickly and efficiently.
We can see potentially what the economic benefits are, but I think it's really important that they bring the public with them and make sure that it generates employment. And actually, it's the emergency services that are pushing the boundaries to save people from fires, to find people who've gone missing.
If we're flying with firefighters operating the drones, we can then put the right course of actions in. It allows us to take a good look and match up our resources against the incident.
We want to make sure that technology is developed in a way that meets our societal needs, and by leading in this technology, that gives us an opportunity to shape and to influence these things for the future.
As the role of the human declines over time and we talk about autonomous systems and highly automated systems, then clearly the opportunities are going to be in artificial intelligence, software development and systems engineering.
And there's also the potential for drone technology to develop into concepts like urban air mobility, which as a way of transporting people and goods could be transformational on the UK's transport system.
If you want to leave Norwich and get to, say, Oxford, it's about 4 hours by train. If you drive, on a good day it's 4 hours again. An aircraft that can take off vertically from the city centre of Norwich, land in the city centre of Oxford, could do that journey in less than 1 hour.
Being able to land vertically in our city centres is a huge enabler of people travelling around, reducing the amount of congestion. So this is where the drone industry is actually starting to blaze the trail for the commercial passenger industry.
There are other countries that are making very rapid progress in the area of urban air mobility, and we need to get on very quickly with doing something and demonstrating something similar here, and then using that to create the employment and manufacturing opportunities that follow from it.
Events like this one allow us to make all the contacts that we didn't even know we had to make. It's nice for those people to see what we're trying to achieve, and that helps in establishing those standards that will be recognised across the world.
The Transport Systems Catapult were delighted to host a conference today focusing on the opportunities and solutions that drones offer to the UK transport industry. A fascinating lineup of speakers that really shows that pulling together the UK really could excel and lead in this sector.